So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make dry fish.
So today,
Dry
I'm
fish
going to smoke this catfish
in the comfort of your home.
to make it
In
a
the comfort
dry
of your home.
fish.
No be say person they give you
So it's
fish.
gonna
We don't
be
stay 7 years. You
smoked
carry and enter
roast
inside soup.
down
Soup
to
will taste like nonsense. This is a fresh dry fish made here in the UK. See what I mean? Can't get anything better than this anywhere. Can you see that? Very dried. You can dry it more if you wish, but this is all you need. You don't have to spend money doing cargo for fish. Before you go reach for a train station, they don't tell you, I smell fish, I smell fish. Bring it down, take it out. This one, you know the smell, tastes nice, and that's all you need. All in the comfort of your home. In the comfort of your home. So you can get this fish from me if you wish, but you can also make this fish yourself in the comfort of your home. You can get this fish from me, and you can also make this fish in the comfort of your home if you wish. You need to know how to do it, and it takes a little bit of time. So you need to patronize me, okay? What do you want? What else do you want me to say? Patronize onye na-agba mbọ. Na-ekwe ma ya aka ọrụ here. Fish, dry fish. Ọkpụrụkpụ azụ a na-afụ anyị na fia. Dry fish. Dry fish. If you need this, DM me. Come on, nature, qualified. Not expensive. The comfort of your home. But the most important thing is you're getting it fresh from the sea to the grill to the pot. It'll be one we don't see 7 years. Where you don't know the condition. You know the smoker. This one grilled in a very nice environment, very hygienic in nature, and things like that. Whatever you can think of. During the